Hi there, this is Jordan from Activepieces. Today I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence to automatically qualify inbound leads and send those leads directly to your team's Slack and/or Discord channels. If you're a business-to-business company, then you probably have an inbound form on your website like this one. Whether you get 1 inbound per day or 1,000 inbounds per day, you're gonna have to qualify all of those inbounds, and that takes time. And time is precious. First, I'm going to show you the final result, and then I'm going to show you how to implement it. This is a mock-up inbound form for my very real company, Vibe Code Enterprises, a subsidiary of Activepieces. When we send this inbound, the flow is triggered, it goes through the entire process, and ultimately we get a notification here in Discord and also in Slack. So, pretty cool. But how did we do that? This is a flow in Activepieces that automatically triggers whenever somebody fills out your inbound form, researches the company with Perplexity, assigns a priority to the inbound based on that research and on the content of the message. Is it a hot inbound? Is it garbage? It has an AI spam filter, so you never even have to look at spam inbounds. It generates a 1-sentence summary of the inbound, so you don't even have to really read the message if you don't want to. And it also generates an email response that's custom tailored to the inbound. So it researches the company, it understands who's reaching out, and then it instantly sends a response that feels like it was written by a human. Then it logs all this information to a Google Sheet that, honestly, probably no one's ever going to look at, but hey, it's there. And at the end, it sends a Discord message or a Slack message or both to your company's Discord or Slack channels with all of this information so you can instantly look at the inbound, love the inbound, and decide what to do with the inbound. To set this up, all you have to do is copy over the template, which you can find on our website, and then you plug in this webhook into the website code on your inbound form page. This webhook URL is what sends the inbound data to the flow to be processed. There's probably somebody at your company that knows how to integrate this webhook. If nobody knows, just honestly ask ChatGPT. In the template, we're using Perplexity to research the company. Perplexity is very good at this sort of thing, but it does require a Perplexity Pro membership. If you don't have Perplexity Pro, you can use ChatGPT or Claude for free in Activepieces by using the Ask AI step, and they'll probably do a pretty good job at looking into the company for you. We're using Claude 3.7 Sonnet to assign a priority to the inbound. Basically, it looks at Perplexity's research about the company, it looks at the size of the company, and it looks at the content of the message. So if they're like, hey, I love what you guys are doing, we should totally collab, then it's probably low priority. If they're like, hey, we want to do a deal right now, then it's a flaming hot inbound. So it determines pretty reliably based on the inbound message if you have a really good chance of closing the deal or if they're just more exploring. You can tweak the spam filter as much as you want. You can make it very sensitive, or you could just let every message through. If you're getting only a few inbounds a day, you probably just want to let everything through. But if you're getting like 1,000 inbounds, then this is a good way to just eliminate the ones that you don't want to spend time on. If the spam filter decides an inbound is spam, then it uses the router step to just log it in a spam sheet. You don't get a notification about spam, but if it's not spam, then it goes to this step to create a TLDR, just a 1-sentence summary, very helpful. And then it goes to the email response step. So this one is also very highly tweakable. Maybe you want to send the same email to everyone. Maybe you want to send a more customized email. Maybe you want to send a Calendly link to each inbound just to set up a meeting as fast as possible. You can do all of that with this. The world is your oyster. And then we use the Gmail send email step to actually send it. And we just plug in the output of the previous step into the body of the email. Very easy. And then we log them. So you just got to create a Google Sheet and then connect it to Activepieces. This is what the Google Sheet looks like. It logs the research on the company. It logs the automatic email response. It logs the priority, so you have one centralized place to look at all your inbounds and be like, oh, that one's good, or oh, well, that one's bad, or like, oh, we got to get back to Google so we can make a ton of money. Most companies use Slack, but some companies are very cool and rebellious and use Discord. And if your company uses Discord, there are a few ways to send a Discord message from an Activepieces flow. We do have a Discord step in Activepieces, but that requires using a Discord bot, and I found Discord bots pretty difficult to work with. So the simplest way is to create an HTTP step, and then go to your Discord server, go to server settings, go to integrations, go to Webhooks, Create a new webhook, paste the webhook link here, and that's all you have to do. Setting up Slack is even easier than Discord. You just connect your Slack account to Activepieces, you choose the channel, and then you plug in what you want to send. In the template, we've already filled everything out for you. Bingo bango, you're done. I'm so proud of you. If you have any questions about this flow, just leave a comment, or you can join the Activepieces Discord community. You can meet other people who like automation stuff, and you can talk to me if you want to. Please drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, send us flowers, do what feels right.